In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, where attention spans are fleeting and competition is fierce, the art of copywriting stands as a crucial skill for anyone looking to sell a product or service. At the heart of persuasive marketing lies the sales letter, a carefully crafted piece of writing that aims to convert prospects into customers. In this article, we'll explore 5 powerful strategies to create super profitable sales letters that captivate, persuade, and ultimately drive sales. 1. Know your audience inside out. One of the fundamental principles of effective copywriting is understanding your audience. To create a super profitable sales letter, you must delve deep into the minds of your target customers. What are their pain points, desires, and motivations? What keeps them up at night? And what solutions are they seeking? Start by conducting thorough market research. Use surveys, interviews, and social media analytics to gather insights into your audience's preferences and behaviors. Once armed with this information, tailor your sales letter to resonate with their specific needs. Speak directly to their pain points and position your product or service as the ultimate solution. Craft a compelling buyer persona that embodies your ideal customer. Address them as if you were having a one-on-one conversation, making your sales letter feel personalized and relatable. The more your audience feels understood, the more likely they are to engage with your message and, ultimately, make a purchase. 2. Grab attention with a powerful headline. In the digital realm, where information overload is the norm, your sales letter's headline plays a pivotal role in capturing attention. A strong headline should be concise, compelling, and immediately communicate the value of what you're offering. Consider incorporating elements that trigger curiosity, urgency, or a sense of exclusivity. For example, headlines that pose a question, highlight a benefit, or present a solution to a common problem can be highly effective. Additionally, incorporating numbers, such as statistics or discounts, can make your headline more specific and impactful. Remember, the headline is the gateway to your sales letter. If it fails to captivate your audience within the first few seconds, they may never read the rest of your message. Experiment with different headline variations and test their performance to find the one that resonates best with your audience. 3. Develop a compelling story. Humans are inherently drawn to stories. Narratives have the power to evoke emotions, create connections, and make information more memorable. Integrate storytelling into your sales letter to make it more engaging and relatable. Start by introducing a compelling scenario that reflects the challenges your audience is facing. Share anecdotes, testimonials, or case studies that highlight the transformation experienced by individuals who have used your product or service. Use vivid language to paint a picture of success and showcase the positive outcomes that await your customers. A well-crafted story not only captures attention but also builds trust. It allows your audience to see themselves in the narrative, envisioning the positive changes that could occur in their own lives by choosing your offering. Keep the story focused on the customer, emphasizing how your product or service can solve their problems and enhance their well-being. 4. Highlight benefits and overcome objections. Once you've captured your audience's attention and engaged them with a compelling story, it's time to dive into the benefits of your product or service. Clearly articulate how your offering addresses the specific needs and desires of your target audience. Instead of simply listing features, emphasize the tangible benefits that customers will experience. How will your product make their lives easier, save them time, or enhance their overall well-being? Craft persuasive language that communicates value and positions your offering as the solution they've been searching for. In addition to highlighting benefits, address potential objections that might be lingering in the minds of your audience. Common objections could include concerns about cost, skepticism about the effectiveness of the product, or hesitation due to past negative experiences. Anticipate and counter these objections within your sales letter, providing reassurance and building confidence in your offering. 5. Create a compelling call to action, CTA. A super profitable sales letter must guide the reader towards taking a specific action. This is where a compelling call to action, CTA, comes into play. Clearly communicate the next steps you want your audience to take, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a free trial, or requesting more information. Use action-oriented language in your CTA to inspire a sense of urgency and decisiveness. Phrases like, "act now," "don't miss out," or "limited time offer," can create a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out, and prompt immediate action. Additionally, make the CTA visually prominent by using contrasting colors, bold fonts, or strategic placement on the page. Consider offering an incentive to sweeten the deal and encourage conversions. This could be a time-limited discount, a free trial, or an exclusive bonus for those who act quickly. Reinforce the value proposition and remind your audience of the benefits they'll gain by taking the desired action. Conclusion. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, the ability to write a super profitable sales letter is a valuable skill that can set you apart from the competition. By understanding your audience, crafting a powerful headline, incorporating compelling storytelling, highlighting benefits, and creating an irresistible call to action, you can create sales letters that not only capture attention but also drive meaningful conversions. Mastering the art of copywriting is an ongoing process, so continue to test and refine your approach to ensure your sales letters remain effective in the dynamic world of marketing.